The real estate industry, as you know it, it is dead. The way agents get clients, build brands, and get discovered. It's being rewritten right in front of our eyes. If you don't adapt, you'll be invisible by the end of 2026. But if you understand these shifts right now, you can dominate while everyone else gets left behind. It's not just about learning new tools, it's about unlearning old habits that are quietly killing your business. And I'm gonna walk you through every single shift, and at the end, give you the exact formula. What to do, how often, step by step. Let's get into it. AI is reshaping absolutely everything. Ads, searches, how buyers and sellers consume information. I know agents whose clients, like people in their 60s who can barely work their phones, and they're using ChatGPT to find their next agent. They're asking, what are the steps to sell my home? This is happening right now. And here's what the data shows. Agents actively using AI generate 3 times more leads. They create content in 80% less time, and they close 25% more deals. And they save 10 hours a week. They're buying back time. You can reinvest all those 10 hours into lead gen, can't you? That's 25%. That becomes 250%. AI is not going to replace you. Agents using AI will replace agents who don't, and handles time-sucking tasks that we hate to do. And you can spend more time building relationships and closing deals. That's what this is all about. So what do you need to do right now? AI rewards FAQ-style content, lists, Q&A format. Go to ChatGPT today and ask it, what are the most common questions home buyers and sellers in my market are asking for? Then make videos answering every single one, especially in the list format. 5 things you need to know before selling in 2026. Each of those 5 things can be individually optimized in its own search query. That is where the game is won. And get on camera. AI cannot replace you. It's so true. Build that camera confidence now. Because in the future, instead of people going to ChatGPT to find an agent, you want them coming straight to you. SEO as we know it is dying. The old game was to rank on page 1 of Google. 10 results. Hope that somebody clicks on yours. That's over. The new game is called GEO. That's Generative Engine Optimization. AI picks one answer and presents it, not 10. 1 0-click response. People get the answer from Google AI Overview or ChatGPT, and then they move on. You need to be the one that gets picked. How? AI can pull one timestamp and recommend your entire video. Put FAQ sections in all your descriptions and optimize your Google business profile with niche keywords. The riches are in the niches. People are searching for specialists, probate expert, relocation agent, senior transition specialist, not real estate agent. Own your niche, people. Prospecting is changing. Don't get caught off guard. Does prospecting work today? 1,000%. Should you do it? 1,000%. But it's not going to stay the same forever. And I'm trying to future-proof your business. Apple and Android are rolling out AI spam filters. When an unknown number calls, your phone plays the message out loud and you decide whether or not you want to pick up or decline. You never have to answer a cold call again. That changes everything. Door knocking, safety risks, all for real. More HOAs are going non-solicitation. I door knocked every day when I started. 3 hours a day, 7 days a week. It got me 80% of my listings. But times are different now. So keep prospecting. Absolutely keep prospecting. But start building the other things alongside it. Shift from interruption to attraction. YouTube is the digital door knocking. A properly optimized video is evergreen. It's out there working for you 24/7, 365, even while you're sleeping, even while you're with your family. And that's called leverage. Build it now so when cold calling fades, trust me, it will. you've already got the machine up and running. If you're calling, focus on for sale by owners and expireds. It's what we call intent driven. If you're door knocking, make it event driven, like an open house. You're inviting, you're not soliciting. Get it? Your brand is the only thing AI can't take away. AI can create content, but it cannot replicate you. Here's what's going to happen to agents who let AI do everything. Their videos look perfect, they look polished, they look dialed. Then they show up at the appointment and they can't even talk like that. They can't handle objections. They don't have the same tonality. Trust breaks immediately. Client is gone. But here's what nobody talks about: the people value, the imperfection, the human connection. It's imperfect. Think about a live edge wood table. The edges aren't perfect, and that's where the value comes from. Everybody's trying to use AI to be perfect when people actually value the genuine, the relatable, the raw. That's what builds trust. Repetition is the mother of mastery. So start getting reps on camera now. First, videos. Yeah, it's gonna be rough, and that's fine. Your first videos will be rough. That's expected. By video number 50, you'll be dangerous. Alex Hormozi, Gary Vee, Dan Martell, all three different lanes, all saying the same thing for the first time ever. Brand is the only differentiator left in the era of AI. When someone has the same tools, the only thing that separates you is you. Show the real you. And behind the scenes, it's about your personality. That's what people connect with. And that's what AI can never replace. Here's the good news. Every platform is now interest-based, not follower-based. In the past, bigger accounts got more views, period. Not anymore. Now they care about the quality of each individual piece of content. 1,000 followers can get 1,000,000 views. 50,000 followers can get nothing. And it happens every day. And you don't have to post only real estate content anymore. The algorithm sets it for you. Your real estate videos will go to real estate people. Your family content goes to family people. You can finally show the real you, and it actually helps your brand instead of hurting it. The playing field has never been more level. So here's your game plan, and write this down. Short form for awareness, Reels, Shorts, TikTok. Long form, like YouTube, is for trust and AI indexing. An email to stay in touch. You don't own your followers on any platform. They can disappear tomorrow. Your email list, well, that's yours. Nobody takes it. An email has the highest return of any marketing channel ever. The most profitable business that you'll ever do is repeat business. Minimum cadence, 2 to 3 shorts a week. 1 YouTube, 1 email newsletter. If you're gonna go all in, 5 to 7 shorts, 2 YouTube videos, and more email. That's how you take the market share from complacent agents. All of this gets people to raise their hand and call you. But when you walk through that front door for that listing appointment, you better be ready. That's why I put together my pre-listing checklist, the exact process I go through before every appointment. Links in the description below. It's free, and use it every single time. Even if you're going to list your mother's house. I've got a full video breaking down my entire pre-listing process. What to say, what to bring, and how to present. Don't wing it, be a professional. If this brought you value, like, share, and subscribe to Agent Success. If it's not worth doing for 10 years, it's not worth doing for a day. Ladies and gentlemen, go make that money.